Now, the latest that we're learning in the Baba Siddique murder case is that the Mumbai crime branch has added the Makoka charges in the case as well. Three accused have been declared absconders is what we're learning. This decision of adding the Makoka to the case has come after links to Lawrence Bishnoi's brother has been found. This is the latest that we're learning on the broadcast. My colleague Paras joins us with more details. Paras, take us through the sections that have been added now to the Baba Siddique FIR. There have been severe sections under Makoka that have been added is what we're learning.
Rightly said. So this is a very important development in Baba Siddique murder case, where all the 26 accused, which has been arrested by Mumbai crime branch, now has been added with the Makoka sections. With that, three accused in this matter has been said as absconding in this matter. One is Shubham Lonkar, the main mastermind who provided shelter and money, financial help to shooters. One is Zishan Akhtar, the major mastermind behind the planning and all the things which has happened at Bandra office of Zishan Siddique, where the firing took place, and Anmol Bishnoi, the brother of gangster Lawrence Bishnoi. So in this entire matter, this update came after when Mumbai crime branch found out that there is some link between this all 26 accused and Lawrence Bishnoi brother Anmol Bishnoi, and now the Makoka section has been added in FIR, and now it will be very interesting to see how this whole investigation will go, because till now only normal FIR, the murder charges, was launched on all the 26 people, and different other charges was there. But now Makoka has been imposed, and this is a very important thing in this entire matter. Now investigation is still on, and now we have to see when these three absconding people will be caught by Mumbai crime branch, because Zishan Akhtar and Shubham Lonkar both are the main accused in this entire matter. As we know that Anmol Bishnoi is in USA, but still there is no update on the return of Anmol Bishnoi from USA. But still there is two more accused, Zishan Akhtar and Shubham Lonkar. Mumbai crime branch is trying to find them, but there is no such important major update on these two accused. But now the major update in this entire Baba Siddique murder case is that on all the 26 arrested accused and these three absconding accused, Makoka sections has been added.